Hello, my name is Caleb Martz and I'm the principal at the Mecosta-Osceola Career Center. I would like to welcome you to our building where we have a variety of programs that help prepare our students for future career pathways. We want you to take a look and hear from our students on why they think this is such a special place to be as well.
If you want the opportunity, take it because it's going to help you. No matter what course you take, it will help you.
How many friends I've made is insane, and there's so many other schools. It just opened up so many doors for my future. It's just really great.
I chose Career Center because I had no idea what I was supposed to do coming out of my sophomore year. I wanted to explore the different career options and find my best fit.
They do all sorts of stuff to make sure you have a better future.
Everything that they teach us, it sticks and it's helpful, and they apply real-world concepts like interviewing and resumes and not only how to perform well at the job, but how to get the job.
They were all very welcoming and all very loving, and it feels like I've made another family here at the MOCC.
You grow as a person because you learn new skills, you learn a new confidence and a sense of self, and that, yeah, I can do this even though it's intimidating at first.
I love the instructors. They're so dedicated to teaching us to be successful and just simplifying things so that we get them.
What I like best about the Career Center is that they really prep you for success.
I love that they have so much hands-on work here.
Probably the best is how hands-on it is.
I was very nervous when I first showed up. I don't know where to sit, what to do, and they just welcomed me all right away.
Just be you and be open to any opportunity that comes your way.
Do it.
Well, I think it's a great stepping stone for my career. It's going to look good on my resume to other employers.
Find something you like and it can definitely help you, and definitely do it.
The teaching style is better because it's more hands-on instead of on the board and just sitting in class.
I will have all these life skills to take with me to another job. So you're not just learning one thing, you're learning how to apply specific concepts to other jobs.
I got to know a lot of kids that I wouldn't normally get to interact with from other schools.
How hands-on it is, and I like that because that's just the way I'm able to learn.
Definitely do it. This is a more professional setting. They treat you like you're an actual adult.
You learn all these skills that are not only just for the class you're taking, but life.
I think it really unlocked myself. I really learned how to apply myself to what I'm learning, what I need to do, how to engage myself, and stepping out of my comfort zone.
Getting to know more people, from schools and stuff, and just learning overall. I like the environment here.
The teachers are super understanding, and they're there to help you.
If you want to do something, pursue it. The Career Center has a lot of opportunities here, and they have a variety of different things you can do. And so if you see yourself in one of these programs, jump in and go for it because it's a great experience.
We hope you enjoyed the video. If any of these career pathways interested you, please talk with your counselor today to find out how you can join us at the Mecosta-Osceola Career Center.